Hello everyone, welcome to the Fullen Academy and Embedded Software. So in the series of week gone by, we will see that means how week was and what are the key levels for coming week. So in a summary, we can say that index is into the sideways momentum. There are some particular level like the 14,900 level. As far as this level holds, we can say that index is in a sideways within a positive bias, but it is right now at a very fragile note. Once the 14,900 level is moving on the downside, it can be a kind of or negative momentum from a short-term perspective. Now we do the detailing on the weekly chart that how the overall structure has remained for the index. So in previous 2 weeks, if we see out of the three components of the candle, we are seeing that means the VIX is having the huge portion. That means the market is moving on the high side, but at a higher level, we are not able to see the sustainability. We can recall our daily price momentum. That means let's say if we come at a daily chart, so there are lots of time the prices has opened on the positive side, but it didn't sustain on the high level. Prices has started to come down, so upside momentum is not getting hold. So this is what the weekly chart says within a presence of large wick size over there. If I consider the broader history and see the format of chart or a structure of the chart, we can connect the lows in this way. So over here the measure of turning points like 1 point, 2 point, 3, 4, 5, so almost 5 points has been tested over there. By the same time, if I try to connect my high points, so this is what the high points that we are connecting, so it gets a perfect rising channel, and we are right now in the rising channel only. But the thing is that the slope of the momentum has got into the sideways momentum. So earlier we used to see that means prices were moving on the high side, but this time prices has moved into the very sideways momentum. So this is what the sideways patch that we are seeing right now. Now to do the little bit more understanding on the daily time frame, here we will see that this is how the formation is happening. Prices are not in sync within a higher high or lower high sequence. So we can say that this is what the time-wise correction momentum is happening. This is what in base level that we can say. This is what the 14,850 level where immediate declining momentum has stopped and it has picked up its momentum. So as far as the 14,800 level is holding, the things are fine, we can say. From a sideways to the positive perspective. But once we see the declining momentum from this point, there can be a presence or more intensity from the selling pressure. So this is what a bull's territory we can say. And on the high side, again, as it is in a sideways momentum, so the index will continue to find the resistance around this point. So this is what the next best hurdle point. This is what the bull's territory. Once the prices are moving below this level, then the next best support level that we can understand or can see around this point, which is just now a support band as well, and some of the previous reversal point that we have witnessed. So 14,600 level around, this is what the next best level that we can see. On a monthly chart, on a weekly chart, prices will remain in a positive bias from a midterm perspective as far as the prices are sustaining about this level. But the breach of this candle, from midterm perspective, the breach of this particular low, so by this, what will happen is that means there will be a breach of the trend line and there will be breach of immediate low or immediate base as well. That is what in 14,450 level. So from a midterm perspective, we can expect some kind of a negativity as far as the prices are moving below 14,400 level. So in nutshell, for a short-term perspective, the 14,800 level or 850 level will act as a support. Below than that, there is a negativity from short-term perspective, and from the mid-term perspective, 14,450 level is the level. Below that, we can understand the negativity. On the higher side, prices are having the resistance at 15,400 right now. Once the prices are moving above the 15,400 level, then we can expect the next leg of upside momentum. And after the 15,400 level, the next base resistance level we can find is around 15,600 level. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose on. Thank you so much.